Hi guys, it's Alyssa from Online Fabric Store. Today I'm going to show you how to make this simple shawl with some nice fringe on the end. So let's get started.
The materials you will need are 2 yards of woven fabric, clips, scissors, thread, a ruler or a measuring tape, and a sewing machine. I'm cutting out a rectangle of fabric that is 67 by 52 inches. This shawl is appropriately sized on me and I'm 5'8". So if you're going to be making a different sized shawl, your ratio should be 1 1/4 inch long to 1 inch wide. You also want to cut an opening for your head. To do this, I folded my fabric in half the long way. Then, cut an inch into the fold around 31 inches from one of the sides. Then you want to cut in another inch, but do this on a curve so it ends up being parallel to the fold. Now, cut straight across to the end that is 31 inches away. On the long sides of your rectangle, fold the fabric in 1/4 inch twice so you're hiding the raw edge. Clip this in place and sew along the inner edge of the fold. Leave 5 inches at the beginning and the end unsewn for the fringe. Do this to both sides and the opening for your head. Top stitch straight across your fringe edge where you would like your fringe to start. I am making my fringe 5 inches long. Create your fringe by pulling out the horizontal threads of your fabric. Do this to every fringed edge.
And now your shawl is complete. Thanks for watching this OFS project. Like and subscribe to our channel for more crafting videos, tips, and tricks. See you next time.